Hi everyone, Maria, essay director here. It's a start of the Collective Art Workshop. Warm welcome to all of you, extremely warm welcome to ECA alumni. I'm very glad to see you guys back and see some familiar faces. It is an ambitious project, so we're going to organize ourselves. There are certain things that are going to happen. First, we're going to register a project in Slack, and we're going to send you the invitation soon. Second, we're going to send you examples of some art projects that are meant to start your creative flow and inspire you and encourage you to brainstorm your ideas. Thirdly, we will put you in small teams where you can present, discuss, and vote on your ideas. Andrew will be there to make sure that your ideas survive Nevada desert, its sun and sand. We will be there to make sure that we push you to your limits and really elevate the level of the ambition. You're also going to meet some external experts that will make sure that your project is coming up in the best possible way. I think that is all for now. Looking forward to seeing you all in Amsterdam. Bye.